In the realm of business acquisition, success hinges on one critical skill: market analysis. Every business you evaluate holds a story within its market data, a story that reveals its true potential and future prospects. This isn't just about reviewing financials or glancing at industry reports. It's about understanding where the business is headed. Obviously, understanding how to do this is a non-negotiable skill. Otherwise, it wouldn't be called business acquisition, it'd just be called gambling. It's the difference between success and failure. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to conduct market analysis that I'll tell you with certainty that you'll profit with on your first investment. Let's get into it. Market analysis in business acquisitions is about understanding the current state and future potential of a business within the market context. Let me explain. It's a multifaceted process that goes beyond surface level data. This involves dissecting the industry's health, understanding the target market's nuances, and identifying both the current and emerging trends. This comprehensive approach helps evaluate the true potential of the business, and it fits within the broader market landscape. Let's talk about industry health. You need to begin by assessing the overall health and trajectory of the industry. Are there emerging trends that could redefine the market? What are the long-term prospects of this particular industry? Use industry reports or specialized industry consultants to get a detailed picture of where that industry is going. For example, if you're considering acquiring an HVAC business, examine the trends for its demands, its supply, and the impact of technology on its necessity. Next is the market size and growth potential. You need to analyze the market size and growth potential of this industry. This involves looking at historical data and future projections by consultants in that industry. By understanding the market size, you can easily assess the scalability of the business. Is there a large market or is the market capped? Tools like market research reports, government publications, and industry analysis can provide valuable insights, and you need these to understand where this is going. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, understanding the impact of technology and innovation on the industry is crucial. Think about how technology might change the way businesses operate in this sector. Are there disruptive trends or technologies that are upcoming that can really affect your revenue in this business? For example, the retail business market has had a huge impact because of the upcoming innovations of e-commerce, digital marketing, and the use of AI in customer service. The next is a competitive landscape assessment. Understanding the competitive landscape is crucial for assessing a business's market potential. This involves identifying key competitors, analyzing their market share and business strategies, and their strengths and weaknesses. It's about understanding not just who the competitors are, but how they operate, their market reach, and their brand positioning. To create a competitive analysis, you can use tools such as a SWOT analysis, SWOT, and this helps in understanding internal strengths and weaknesses in relation to external opportunities and threats in the marketplace. A market share analysis. This can be done through sales data, industry reports, or market research. Another one is competitor benchmarking. This is where you compare key operational, financial, and marketing metrics of your target business with its competitors. For example, if you're considering the acquisition of a local plumbing business, you would analyze the market to identify direct competitors such as other local plumbing services and indirect competitors like DIY home repair retailers. You need to evaluate their market share, their customer loyalty, their service range, their pricing, and their customer reviews to see how big of a competitor they really are. This analysis helps in understanding the plumbing business's unique position in the market and the potential areas for growth or improvement. Customer insights and demographics are also extremely important. Understanding the customer base in any industry is essential because this is how you are going to make money. This involves analyzing who the customers are, their specific needs, purchasing behaviors, and how these factors influence their decision making. You also need to understand your customers' pain points. Identify common challenges or pain points customers face with current service providers. Now, this could be reliability, quality of work, customer service, pricing. It could be a whole host of things. And by addressing these pain points, it can give your potential acquisition a competitive advantage. For example, for an acquisition of a residential landscaping business, you analyze the local demographics to understand predominant age group, property types, and lifestyle preferences. Are customers primarily interested in basic lawn care, or is there demand for really high-end specialty services? We also need to talk about financial health and marketing positioning. Evaluating a financial performance through an assessment of the financial health of a potential acquisition is so important. It's so crucial. This involves examining past and current financial statements, revenue trends, profitability, cash flow, debt levels, and other key financial metrics. The goal is to understand not just the current financial status, but also the historical financial performance and future potential. Some tools and techniques for financial analysis that you can use are ratio analysis. This is how you use ratios like profit margins, ROA, ROE, and debt to equity equity ratios, and you use these to start to really get an understanding of where this business is headed. You also can do a trend analysis, and this is where you look at multi-year financial trends. Are revenues and profits growing? Are they stable, or are they declining? Another tool is benchmarking. This is where you compare the business's financial metrics with the industry average or competitors. It really gives you a good understanding of where this business is in the middle of the pack, or is it ahead of the pack, or is it falling behind? This includes its brand reputation, customer loyalty, market share, and unique selling propositions. Understanding where the business stands in the market is as important as its financial metrics. Examine the diversity and the stability of the business's customer base and the revenue streams. The more, the better. A business that's relying on a few major customers or a single revenue stream has increased risk and a lower value. An example of this is when I was looking to acquire my accounting firm. I did a market research analysis to figure out, is the accounting industry something that I want to start investing in? And it turns out it is. And there's a couple factors in why that is. Number one, most accountants are aging out. There are not enough new accountants coming into the industry, which means that the industry is ripe for consolidation. They're not going to be all these little mom and pops anywhere, because those mom and pop businesses are retiring. And so it is prime. They're looking to sell. And if someone's able to consolidate those businesses into a cloud-based accounting firm that is location independent, not only can you increase the value of that business, but you have so many different options in growing that business through acquisitions. Also, during the market analysis, I realized that some of the biggest complaints that customers have with their accountants is that they weren't available. They would reach out with questions and try to come up with tax strategies for this coming year so they can reduce their tax liability, and they just couldn't get a hold of their accountant. And so by streamlining the communication between client and accountant, we can solve one of the biggest pain points and grow these accounting firms in a much more linear fashion. If you just reached the end of this video, congratulations. You know now exactly how to conduct an effective market analysis to acquire a profitable business, and I hope it did help. If you are still having difficulty finding a profitable business to acquire and you want help, I've acquired 7 businesses and helped hundreds of other people do the same, leaving their 9 to 5, and I can help you every single step of the way. I have an accelerated program that walks you through every single step that I took, along with over hundreds of other students I have, to acquire businesses that cash flow 6 figures in pure profit per year. If you're interested, book a free call, which the link is below, to see if you're a good fit for something that you want to do. And if you want to find more information about how to acquire a business step by step, click the next video that you see on your screen right here. I'll catch you all on the next one. Talk soon.